hope you're having a great day. So I got a little bit of rain, but not much. It doesn't even look like a 1/4 inch, maybe 1/8 of an inch so far. But I'll take it. That is nice to get some rain. I got my plants out here hardening off. I do have some things to do today, but I thought I would get out here and maybe possibly get some sunflowers in the ground. But I was going to take a look and see if any critters had been here last night. Those look pretty. So if you guys remember last year, I went through and cleaned up that row of bushes. And I took a lot of the dead stuff out and just kind of cleaned them up. And I never made it over there. And look how much better. So in the first year, these did not bloom that much after I cleaned it up, but look at it this year. It looks gorgeous. And this one, it has a lot of blooms on it. It just hasn't bloomed as much yet. But I do need to clean that one up. There is a lot of just dead in it. And there's vines tangled on it. So it would live a much happier life if I cleaned it up a little bit. These are so pretty. Gorgeous. So pretty. This one has something, a tree or something growing in it. I need to look into that, but there might be some kind of vine. But look how pretty they look this year. So I need to get out here and clean them up again because that makes them gorgeous. My peonies still have little tiny buds on them. I'm hoping they get a lot bigger in the next couple days. They're getting close though, I think. I hope by Thursday some of these are ready. It is a lilac bush. I can smell it. I wonder how this has escaped my view all these years. Huh. It's probably because it only flowers way up there at the top. I wonder if there's something you can do to clean it up a little bit. Yay! So this row that I had nothing to put in it because my grasses weren't as prolific as I thought they were going to be. I went ahead and just put sunflowers in it. I know you're supposed to do 6-inch spacing. This is 12-inch spacing. I put 2 to 3 sunflowers per hole. So I figured if they had a couple stems come up, they would stay a little smaller and they weren't as close as they should be. So we'll just see how this method works. I think it'll do all right. I'm so excited to get that done today. I didn't think I was going to. So I have, I'd say about 40 feet of sunflowers. And then these will be the first batch. I was going to put a batch in at home too because the deer like them. Oh yeah, by the way, my trail cam caught a little deer. It's just standing outside of the fence looking in. And I don't think it ever came in because nothing was disturbed. So it's working. Yay. But then I was thinking of doing a succession at my house as well. We'll see how well they do out here and if the fence actually works for deer because sunflowers is one of their favorite things. So I'm going to run back up and mark off that I did this. And then I do have some stuff to do this afternoon. Oh my gosh. So this is my row of bells of Ireland. And if you remember, I had put bells of Ireland, I had seeded them because I wasn't having much luck with them. And I think they're coming up. I think I see bells coming up. Those I planted, but these are the seeds. Yay, that's exciting. So I might have a bunch of bells of Ireland. And then I do think that my bachelor buttons are coming up along with some grass. So that's also exciting. And Nothing for the verbena, which is the same thing for in my house. Yay, it's starting to fill up. Have a great day.